Meet John. John owns a small, but very busy construction firm. As a result, he doesn't have a lot of time on his hands. John's company has a website and he knows the important role it plays in making sure he presents a professional first impression to potential customers and partner organizations. John's current website is giving him a headache because it is 6 years old, has outdated information. It is not mobile friendly, and looks very old indeed. To summarize, it is just not cutting it. John understands that he needs to update his website, but this project is never a top priority because, once again, he doesn't have a lot of time on his hands. He feels he only has 3 options. Option 1. He could hire a multifaceted design agency, but his concern is that they will prove to be too expensive for his straightforward project. Option 2. The boyfriend of one of his team members' daughter is very handy with IT, and he says he could deliver a website for very little money. But, John feels this is far too risky a prospect for his established business. Option 3. He could build his own website using a website builder, but is never as straightforward as they advertise, and remember, he doesn't have a lot of time on his hands. So for now, John puts the website problem on the back burner, pops on his hard hat, and tells himself,
"I'll get round to it one of these days."
Thankfully, John is soon to find out that there is another way. A friend, who has her own successful small business, recommends Pixelhaze. At Pixelhaze, we offer tailored one-day web design workshops. We can cut out all of the waffle, business speak and technical twaddle, and get down to the task at hand. We have 20 years of industry experience, so you don't have to. We can deliver content, images and build out from your brand, so you don't have to. We can take control of all of the technical aspects, like getting your website live, so you don't have to. John opted for a one-day workshop, split over 2 half-day sessions. He appreciated the option of being able to work remotely, but instead chose to visit Pixelhaze at their Mid-Wales studio. After successful completion of the workshops, John can put the website ordeal behind him and focus on other important aspects of his business. He may not admit it, but John very much enjoyed the web design workshop, and the opportunity to think about the future direction of his business. Make one of these days today with our Pixelhaze one-day web design workshop.